Hi, Captain Ed, Offshore Yacht Sales. Let's take a look at this very special 30-foot Grady-White 2004 sailfish. Most of these boats have been purchased to fish, and some have been fished pretty hard. This one has been very lightly fished and primarily cruised by experienced elderly boater. Gel coat sparkles, safety rail, factory hardtop. These boats came out of the factory with 225 Yamahas that have had their issues. This one was repowered in 2017 with a pair of Yamaha 250s with only 140 hours since the repower. Swim ladder makes easy access to get out into the huge cockpit. Transom fish box, fold-up transom seat, plenty of rod storage. Up a couple steps to the helm area. Helm seat is on a pedestal with tackle locker below. L-shaped settee for guests. Recent enclosure, three-sided with an aft curtain drop. Helm position with adjustable tilt wheel, all important bow thruster controls, electronics by Raymarine and Garmin. Overhead electronics box, VHF in one, storage in the other. Down a couple of steps into the cabin area, pretty light, bright, and airy. Forward section now is set up for sleeping, but there is an adjustable table, so it can be converted very easily to a dinette area. Overhead hatch. Full galley with microwave, one burner cooktop, sink, undercounter refrigerator, and storage. Fully air conditioned, of course. Mid-cabin sleeps too. Great place for storage. Easy access to the AC/DC distribution panel. Fully enclosed stand-up head with shower, sink, and vacuum flush system. One more look at this very special, super clean, ready to go 30 Grady. See the full specs on our website, offshoreyachtSales.com. I'm Captain Ed. Thanks for watching.